Let's try question 13 on angles. In the diagram, UTR over here, UTR is a straight line and TQR is an isosceles triangle such that QT is equals to QR. Okay? So given that PQ is parallel to RS and angle UTQ is 155 degrees and angle PQT is actually 90 degrees. Find angle TQR. So 13a, we are asked to find angle TQR over here. So we note that UTR is a straight line. So what I can do is I can take 180 degrees. Okay, so in order to find angle QTR, we can take 180 degrees minus 155 degrees to get angle QTR, which is equals to 25 degrees. So basically we are using angles in a straight line. Okay, so knowing that this is 25 degrees and the fact that QTR is an isosceles triangle, we can say that angle QTR equals to angle QRT, which is equals to 25 degrees. Basically isosceles triangle QTR. Okay, so this is 25 degrees, so we can say that angle TQR equals to 180 degrees minus 25 degrees minus 25 degrees, so which gives us the angle TQR, which is what the question wants for 13a, is actually equals to 130 degrees. So this is angle sum in a triangle, and we are done with 13a. So let's move on to 13b. We are required to find angle TRS, which is over here. So this is what we need to find. So we know that PQ is actually parallel to RS, right? So let's first find what is angle PQR. Okay, so let me write down the previous angle. TQR is actually 130 degrees over here, right? So in order to find angle PQR, okay, so what we know is that angle PQR, which is over here, plus 90 degrees over here, plus 130 degrees over here, is actually equals to 360 degrees, right? Because this is angles at a point, which means that angle PQR, we're going to bring these two over to the right hand side. We get that angle PQR is actually equals to 140 degrees. So 140 degrees for angle PQR. And we know that PQ is parallel to RS, right? Which means that using alternate angle, we can say that angle QRS over here, right? Angle QRS equals to angle PQR using alternate angles, which is equals to 140 degrees. So alternate angles because PQ is parallel to RS. So knowing that angle QRS is 140 degrees, and we also know that angle QRT is 25 degrees, right? Which means we can say that angle TRS equals to angle QRS minus angle QRT, which is equals to 140 degrees minus 25 degrees, which gives us angle TRS, which is equals to 115 degrees. And we are done with 13 part B. Okay, so that's about it for this question. Now, just to take note, for this type of question, you have to give the reason behind your steps, such as angles in a straight line, isosceles triangle, angle sum in a triangle, angle at a point, alternate angles, because two lines are parallel to one another. So you need to give all this reasoning to get full marks. Okay?